Welcome to the Mighty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the platform to build a website for your magician business. I'm really excited to do this tutorial today. If you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with Mighty Sites yet, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to get cracking building a website for my magician business. Let's go ahead and select our template, magician. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few more basic details about our magician business so it can generate a simple website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where you're located in the world, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic. See what I did there? And build a simple website for my magician business. And look at that, it's already done it. That was definitely magic. So let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images, and you can see they're all really high quality. It doesn't look like they've been taken on a mobile device or anything like that. However, if you've got your own magical photos of yourself in action doing really awesome tricks, you can upload them. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content. You can absolutely do that. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either. It's super simple, so let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top and click on update section. Over here, I'm going to pop in our email address. And the first thing I want to do, is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number. That phone number is click to call, by the way, so your customers can easily reach out to you and book your magician services. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, as well as my postal code. My address will be displayed in the top left-hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. And the great thing about it is when my customers click on that, it will automatically give them directions to my physical location. That is if I have one, of course. Let's go ahead and save that and head to update social links. So now over here, you can pop in your various social media platforms that you're active on social media, which is, I'm assuming, is most of them because you're doing tricks on social media. There is an option for Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, of course, and the icons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner next to that email address. Let's go ahead and save and move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com website. There are a few great options on there that are completely free to use. You can make your logo bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now I'm going to move along. Now with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected the colors. As you can see, I guess you could call this like a navy blue color. If it doesn't work for your branding, maybe your logo, your business cards, your signage that you use to put up at events is a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. I think it looks really great and it really stands out. And as you can now see, it's used throughout my Marty Sites website. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. I'm now going to hit to update image. So over here, if you have got your own images, feel free to browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through their photo library. There are hundreds to choose from and they're completely free to use. Let's go ahead and select that one. I quite like it. Awesome, that looks really great. I'm now going to head over to update content. Over here, you can change the title and subtitle over here to suit your needs. Your button doesn't have to say Book Magic Show. Perhaps you just wanted to say Get in Touch. So let's go ahead and do that and say choose link. Now we can link to the lead form at the bottom of our Marty Sites website, which I'll get to in just a second. We can link to another website. So perhaps you have a calendar booking app that you use. Go ahead and pop it here. Otherwise, we can link to an action like click to call, click to email, or direction. So for this one, I'm going to put it as click to call. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So over here, I suggest maybe you put a catalog together in PDF format. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file that you've just uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and move along. Over here, again, content pre-written button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on the handy update section button and make your changes. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the magic industry, how long you've been doing magic for, what your hopes are for the future. Do you use high quality props and equipment? Do you what do you cater for? Do you cater to events, birthday parties, children's parties? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how you got into this industry. Over here, another great image, but I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. I'm very happy with it, and let's move along. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. Choose one from that photo library, which I've previously shown you, or upload one of your own. We've now made our way into the next section, the services section, where you can also put a little bit more details of the different services you offer, or maybe why your clients should choose you for their magician needs. So over here, maybe you have some awards to be proud of. Maybe you've been in the industry for 15 years. There's an easy booking process. You've done hundreds of events. It's suitable for both adults and children. Go ahead and pop all those details over here. I've now made my way into the last section of my Marty Sites website for my magician business, the contact form, the lead form. Over here, your potential customers and customers can put in their details to get in touch with you. They'll put in their details, click send. You will get notified via email when you've got a lead from this form, and you will find your leads as well in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a sec. Let's just take one last look at our Marty Sites website for our magician business and how we've done it in literally less than 10 minutes. It's actually really crazy. I didn't need to know any coding, I didn't need to be a web developer, and I didn't need to get anyone to help me with this process. I did it all myself and it was such a breeze. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. I'm now going to head to stop editing at the top and head to the site dashboard. I just wanted to point out over here is where you can find the leads from that form when your client submits it. If you do have a custom domain, you can go ahead and connect it over here. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Let's check that out, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So do take a look at our blog. There is also a YouTube tutorial available on with a step-by-step guide on how to link your tutorial as well. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your magic business. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the Marty Sites page, go ahead and comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.